This is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for January 11, 2021. So if you look at the immediate SP 500, the market this morning they pull up a little bit, and then it no sign of reversal yet. So the market is still hang on to the upside. So at this moment, the market goes sideways, but the trend is still the uptrend. And if you look at the Nasdaq, they pull back a little bit this morning, but they still hold up about the moving average. So technically, they still bullish. So until they show the reversal, so seems like the market is still hang on tight, even though we have a lot of political issue. The market try to see where they're heading to, but doesn't matter. As long as the money flows to the market, I think the market is still find a way to go up. Look at the Russell 2000, it also pulled back down, but the buyer stepped back in, so they still push it back up to the upside. The Dow, it also pulled back down this morning, but the buyer stepped back in, and then everything is still hang to the upside. So if right now, if you look at the market, a couple of sectors that we will focus on right now, it's an energy sector. As you can see that the energy sector is still doing very strong. As you can see, they pulled out this morning, but then they put it back up. So in there, you see a lot of oil stock extremely doing well. They try to find a way to break out there. Chevron, ConocoPhillips, Exxon Mobil. So those stocks continue to break out and then put to the upside. So the oil stock is still in high demand right now. And if you look at the next sector, it's the financial sector. The financial sector is also doing pretty well. As you can see here, they drop back down, but they put it back up. So if you look at the financial sector, you see a lot of stock in financial sector like Goldman Sachs, right? It's very strong there, and JP Morgan, Bank of America, and First Republic Bank. They all still continue to rumble to the upside, and semiconductor sector is still doing okay. As you can see that applied material, they come right down, people push right back up. AMD also doing well this morning, and then KLA 10 core, they continue to put to the upside. Lam Research, they put out yesterday, and then today they go right back up. Nvidia, another one, try to put it to the upside. And Taiwan Semiconductor, they dropped last Friday, and today they also put it back up. So this sector is still very strong, as you can see. And look at the clean energy, it's also doing extremely well. As you can see, that a couple of stocks that we show you still hang tight to the upside. And as you can see, NEO, that's another one that they put back up, and people take some profit, but the trend is still up, as you can see there. And if you look at the another sector, it's the healthcare sector. The XLV is still doing very well here. So you look at a lot of stock in that sector, like BLUE, the one we show you on a weekly market forecast. They break down and then shoot it to the upside. And MK, that's another one that also break out and then try to put to the upside. And the stock, the cybersecurity, like SACK, as you can see here, it still continue to put it up to the upside. And some computer technology stock is doing well, like Roku, it still continue to rumble to the upside. And if you are in our live trading room, every day in our live trading room, we analyze the market before the market open, so that our member, they can get in and take some trade. As you can see this morning, when the market opened at 6:30, we already see that the market tried to revert from this level here after they give us the bullet formation here. When they break out here, give us the bullet formation, we jump in, and then we push it back up to the sell zone. So in the first hour, we get 20 points again. That's the $1,000 per 1 EF contract. Okay, when I get out of the live trading room, I jump in and take a second trade. for my sale. So the net profit for today is $2,510. So it's done for the day, and after that the market it goes sideways, and after hour the market it still goes sideways here. So the overall trend is still bullish. The market may go sideways correction, but overall trend is still bullish. So we will still continue to stick with the upside until the market change direction. So if you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand the financial market, how to read the price chart correctly by using modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, remember to sign up with our YouTube, so every time we have a new video, so we can alert you. And again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumb up. Take care, everyone.